Welcome to the channel CSE and IT subjects. In this series of videos, we are discussing about the data structures question and answers for the KIT exam. Here is our question, today's question. That is, this is a direct acyclic graph. So consider the direct acyclic graph with a set of vertices V, and those set of vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that graph is shown below. This is a direct acyclic graph. Which of the following is not a topological ordering? So, here 4 set of orderings are there. In these 4 set of orderings, we have to find out which one is not a topological ordering. So, for this purpose, first you have to know what is a topological ordering. Topological ordering is nothing but a ordering of the vertices of the graph which is direct acyclic. Okay, if you want to write the topological ordering for a vertices of a particular graph, that should be direct and acyclic. If you consider a direct acyclic graph, that graph may contain more than one topological orderings. Okay, so what is the topological ordering means? For the topological ordering, we have to maintain one rule, that is, if it is a particular topological order for a particular graph. So if we consider any two vertices, let us say u and v. If we consider two vertices u and v from this set of topological orderings, if there is an edge from the vertices u to v, the vertex u must be appear before the vertex v in the topological ordering. You got the point? So, if we consider any set of two vertices in the topological ordering, if that vertex are connected by edge, if it is directed. So, if there is an edge from u to v means, so if there is an edge between u to means the edge must be from u to v. So, in topological ordering, the the vertex u must be appear before the vertex v. So this is the rules that should be followed for topological ordering. So now this is the given graph. Now I will show you how to find out the topological orders, possible topological orders for this graph. First, let us take the graph. 1, 2. We want to write the topological orderings. The graph must be directed and acyclic. Write the edges. This is the given direct acyclic graph. First, what is the first point is, write the in degrees for each and every vertex. What is in degree? So, how many edges are reaching the particular vertex? That is called the in degree. So, how many incoming edges are there for a particular vertex, then it is called in degree of that particular vertex. So let us see the one. For node the 1, there is no incoming edges, so the in degree is 0. For the node 2, only one incoming edge is there, so in degree is 1. For the node 3, only one incoming edge is there, so the in degree 1. For the node 4, 2 incoming edges, so the in degree is 2. For the node 5, 2 incoming edges, so in degree is 2. For the node 6, 2 incoming edges, so in degree is 2. So first, remove the least vertex that has the lowest in degree and write that vertex in the topological ordering. So in this set of vertices, one has the least in degree, that is 0. So remove that vertex and write it in the topological ordering. So after removing the 1 and its corresponding edges, write the remaining graph. Okay. After removing the vertex 1 and its corresponding edges, the remaining graph is this. Again write the in degrees. For the node 2, the in degree is 0, and the node 3 also in degree is 0, for the node 4 in degree 2, for the node 5 in degree 2, node 6 in degrees 2. Now, what is the vertex that has the lowest in degree? There are two possibilities. 2 has the lowest in degree and 3 has the lowest in degree. Now, consider among these two one vertex. First consider the one vertex 2 and write it in the topological ordering and remove that vertex and write the remaining graph. You may remove either 3 or 2. First I am removing 2 and writing the graph. Remove 2 and its corresponding edges. Now again write the in degrees. For the 4 1, for the 3 0, for the 6 2, and for the 5 1. Now what is the vertex that has the lowest in degree? 3. So remove the, so write that vertex in the topological order and delete that vertex and its corresponding edges 2, 4 5, 6. Now again write the in degrees. For the 4 0, for the 5 1, for the 6 0. Now the lowest in degree is 4. Write that node in the topological ordering and remove that node. Now only 2 nodes left, 5 and 6. For the 2 nodes, the in degrees is 0. So here in this case, if the 2 nodes have the same in degrees, we have selected any one of those 2 nodes. So here also select any one of these 2 nodes. If we consider the 5 first and 6 next, this is the one topological order, one set of topological order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, if this is the case where we consider the 5 first and 6 next. If we consider the 6 first and 5 the next, the corresponding topological order is this. This is the one set of topological ordering, this is the second set of topological ordering. Now, here, if 2 and 3 has same in degrees, we have selected 2. Suppose if we selected 3 here, that means if you remove the 3 first, the remaining graph is 2, 4, 5, 6. This is the remaining graph. Now write the in degrees. So we have considered 3 as the lowest in degree node. Now again write the same procedure. Now again write the in degrees for the node 2 0, for the node 4 1, node 5 2, node 6, node 6 1. Now, what is the vertex that has the lowest in degree? 2. So remove that vertex and write that vertex in the topological ordering. So remaining vertex are 5, 4, 6. Four has in degree 2 and 5 is 1 and 6 is 1. So here the 4 has the lowest in degree, so remove that vertex and write it in topological ordering. So again remove the 4 and we have the 5 and 6, both have same in degrees. As in the previous example, if we consider the 5 first, the topological ordering is this. If we consider the 6 first, the topological ordering is this. These are the 4 possible topological orderings for the given set of graph. So here our question is, what is the not a topological ordering? So what is the first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is there. Next 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5, it is there. Next 1 3 3 2 1 3 2 4 5 6, it is also there. So this is the answer D is a not a topological ordering for the given set of graph. What is the correct topological ordering? Another set of 1 2. What is the another set of the correct topological ordering? 1 2 3 4 6 5. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends and write your opinion in comments.